me Elisha Picker from Tripura.
And it's me, Megalaji Moment from Meghalaya.
In this video,
We're gonna be doing Mukbang! In this video, we're gonna be doing a mukbang of our own traditional dishes. We're gonna be showing off our own traditional dishes, which mine is this from Meghalaya and
my traditional food from Tripura.
So without further ado, let's
start! So this is...
Wait.
He haven't seen this still, so I'm just gonna like... It's like kind of surprise also.
Yes.
Then...
Ooh. What's the name?
This is... It doesn't have actually. I really don't know about this.
Okay.
But I know it's only pumpkin and chicken mix.
Okay. First bite. I'm gonna take both pumpkin and the chicken. It's spicy. There's a bit sweetness from the pumpkin. So how do you make it?
First, we pumpkin, chicken, everything you have to mix. Then you have to mix ginger, garlic, chili, everything you have to grind and mix it all. And then, if you want it, then you can give a pinch of masala, or any masala like zira, and then dhania and all that. So and salt, obviously salt, and yellow powder a bit, a little bit of yellow powder, and then you just oil. Then you just have to mix it and cook it for some time without pouring any water. And after cooking for a few times, then you just have to give some water and then cook.
So next up is my dish, which is very popular in Meghalaya.
Excited?
Are you?
Yes.
Really? And we got... Ta-da!
Wow!
It's a chicken with chili with baking soda. It is we usually call this chicken kappa. Even you know this.
Yeah. So
please try it. But be careful.
It's spicy?
Yes, it is very spicy.
Okay. Actually, I love spicy.
Okay, good to know.
So I'm gonna take a big bite.
So how's it? Spicy? Hot? Okay. Too hot. Calm down. You need something?
It's very spicy.
Okay.
But it's nice.
Right.
Before also I have had, I think once. It was very nice. So this is my second time and it's very tasty and it's spicy.
But you have never tried
I have
me cooking
yes.
that.
How do you make it?
So first of all, we pre-cook the chicken for like 5 to 7 minutes. And then after the liquids and the water from the chicken starts to dissolve, we start adding lots of chilies and ginger paste. That is, we smash the ginger and a soda, like 1 teaspoon of soda, and we keep that for like 5 minutes or something like that. And after it gets the feeling, it gets the little bit aromatic. You can start adding the water and then cover the lid again and keep cooking until you feel like it's cooked and ready.
Wow.
Okay, now it's your turn. This is second dish.
So these two are done. So let me start with another dish, which is aloo godam. See, it's look like this.
What's
this
called?
This is aloo godam or pengmo. There's two names. Anything you can call it. Yeah, pengmo.
Pengmo sounds more suited for this.
Yeah, pink more.
Yeah, let me try.
Okay, try it.
It looks like a dessert, by the way.
So this, we just have to take potato and then little bit of meat, and then you just have to cut the potato in small pieces, and then you have to mix it with meat and chili, onion, and then rotten fish and water. And you just have to close and cook for some time. Then when it is right, when you feel the potato is already soft and when you think it's already ripe, then you just have to take out and grind it. So that's all.
Pink mo.
Yeah, pink mo.
First bite, the pink mo for the first time. This is sweet.
Sweet?
And yeah, from the potato is sweet.
Sweet.
And it's not that spicy like my dish, so it's fine. And also from the dry fish, the aroma and feel it's very nice.
That's it.
I see first. So good.
No, next.
So I'll be showing my final dish, and this dish is Chicken Steer's favorite dish in this Meghalaya. So may I present you pork with pumpkin, and we call this kalwak or also wak komenda, and it looks like this. So let me try.
Yes. So I'm going to try it for the first time. What do you call it?
We call this kalwak or wak komenda.
Akarawak or
Wak komenda.
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 Yes.
So I'm going to try this for the first time.
For the first time.
Yes.
Embrace yourself. The chicken steer likes this a lot.
Okay. I'm just gonna try first. It looks like this.
So
It's sweet and yeah, the flavor of pumpkin is very nice. And it's like best combinations. This pumpkin and pork.
yes, of course.
Very nice. Now let me try with food. Very nice.
Karai, what you said?
Karai dish?
This one. What is this?
What is that?
Pan.
How did you make this?
First, I pre-cook the pork, and once it starts to pre-cook, like it starts showing the different colors, like reddish color. We take the pork off, and then we start adding pumpkin, and then salt, and then chili, and then ginger again. It's almost the same process as the chicken kappa, but the method is different, and also
Even
the taste and totally different. And we can cook this in two methods also. That's just the wak komenda or the pumpkin with pork. We can cook this in two different methods, one with oil and one without oil. But the one which I cook is one without oil. But so we add baking soda instead of oil. So
Here?
that's it, yes.
Wow.
And that's it. And we keep cooking until the pumpkin gets softened, and then once it gets softened, we put the pork back and we cover the lid again. And once it starts to cook, once it starts to burn a bit, we add water again until it shows a pure distribution, equal distribution of pumpkin and pork, and the pumpkin gets too soft and becomes a paste like that, paste-like. So that's it. That's how I cook this pumpkin with pork, or what Commander we said, or in other words, Karwa.
I've never eaten pork with pumpkin and baking soda mix. This is
The
my
first
first time. First time. So I'm gonna begin.
So this is it. This is our
Wait, I have another dish.
okay.
The last
The
dish.
special one. Okay.
Yes, it's very special.
Let's see.
I
Okay.
don't know whether you're going to eat for the first time or not. So
I
let's
don't know.
bring out the surprise.
Let's see.
This is dry bamboo shoot chakri. Have you ever eaten this? Dry bamboo shoot chakri. With soda.
It's soda.
Yeah, with soda.
Chakre.
Yes.
Reminds me of Kaleido, if you know, Karos. Maybe I have tried or maybe I have not tried because it looks similar but not that similar. We'll just have to find out. What's this?
It's bamboo shoot.
Bamboo shoot.
Dry one.
Dry bamboo shoot. This is the first time I see dry bamboo shoot like this. Okay, so here we go. It's much more like nakam style. If you know, we cook mostly with dry fish. Did you make this?
Okay. At first, the dry bamboo shoot, you have to soak it for like 1 hour or 2 hours. And if you're running through shortage of time, then you can just boil it for like few minutes. And then after that, you just have to wash it, clean it very, very well. And you have to give soda. After that, you can give chili, salt at the time. And then when it starts to fizzle, you just have to grind the rice, which you soak and kept. So you just have to grind and give it. And after you give, mix it properly. And after that, you have to give fermented fish or rotten fish. You have to, and that also I give it by grinding so that it may not be difficult while eating because thorns are there in dry fish. You have to cook till it's dry. You have to give pork fats.
Pork fats.
Fats, yes, at the
Okay.
end. And then after giving pork fats, you just have to close and cook for some time, and then you can take out it and have it.
Yes, no wonder why it looked oily without oil and everything. It was baked with soda. It's like our nakam style. This taste reminds me like the dish we had, which is called amshi Kaleido. So that's it. And we're gonna be rating our dishes from her side and my side. So, Elisa Peto, which one is your favorite from my dish? From Karo traditional dish?
Actually, I cannot now say which one is my favorite actually because I love them equally. But anyhow, I have to choose one. So, this.
Chicken kappa is your winner from my side.
Okay, now he will be telling which one you like the most among my dish.
So first we tried pumpkin with chicken, and then we tried the
Godok.
godok, and lastly we tried
Dry bamboo shoot chakri.
the
Oh
chakre.
yeah, chakri.
So from which one's the best? Everything is like every dish is new, and every dish I've tried has a different flavor. So can I place all of them in the first place?
No.
No.
You have to
What?
choose one.
Okay, it's tough. I'll do a blind guess or what? And it has different taste. So I'm gonna go with let's eliminate this first. And from this two, wait, I think I have to try again or what? Because it's a tie among this chakra and potato goda. I'll have to try it again for the tiebreaker. A quick try before I announce the proclaimed winner. And the winner I choose chakra.
Wow.
Because I like this very spicy. I like spicy food, and most of us does. Most of the northeastern people like spicy food. So I'll choose. I chose this Chaka because it belongs to Northeast.
Yes. So I'll be sharing his link as well in my descriptions. You can go and check out.
So until then, let's see if we can do another collaboration video. Until then, next time.
See
See
you.
ya. Bye bye.
Bye.